Hi everyone. In today's video we are gonna learn how to create this amazing preset which you can use for your own photos to improve them. This preset was created on our subscribers' request. You can download this preset absolutely for free. You need just to find a password which appears twice during the video, right over there. If you have any troubles about that, find the instruction below the video, and you'll get it for sure. Also, we made the same color correction for video. So now you can have your photo and video content in one style. Which is awesome, isn't it? You are able to use this loot in any video editor you got. Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut and even VN Editor for mobile phones. You can find the link to the video loot down below in the description. Guys, if you need the preset right now, if you have no time to watch this video and repeat after me or look for a password to download it for free, you can just go to our website presetstore.com and find your favorite color correction there. It's not for free but it's worth that. Every presets contains from 3 to 6 versions for PC and mobile platforms of Lightroom. Check it out guys. So, it's time to get started.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one, no, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see
Guys,
eye to
if this video gets 300 likes during the week, you'll get the same LUT for videos in cube format.
lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love.
Give this video like, and if the video gets 300 likes in the week, you are able to get LUT with the same color grading like this preset has. Well done. Presets ready. The result is just awesome. I hope you got the same one. If you like this color grading, probably you'll like others, which we have many on our channel. Just check it out, and you will find something for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.